Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Onyx Bar. Do you have any reservation?
No, I don't have.
May I suggest a table for you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
This way, please. This way, please. Will this table be satisfactory?
Okay.
For a while, I will get the wine list for you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present the wine list for your selection?
Thank you.
May I lay the table now for you?
Yes, please.
May I take your order, ma'am?
I would like to have a glass of wine. Could you suggest a wine for me?
Yes, ma'am. We have different wines available here. I would like to suggest for you our best seller wine. Light wine. It is contained of 7% alcohol volume. It is good wine to your order.
Okay, I'd like to order that wine, please.
Thank you. I would like to repeat your order, ma'am. You ordered light wine. Did I get the order right, ma'am?
Yes, you did.
Okay, ma'am. Please excuse me while I prepare your order. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your order. Light wine. It's contained of 7% alcohol volume. May I go ahead and open the bottle for you?
Okay.
Here is the part of evaluation, ma'am. May I pour some of the fun of your evaluation? Here is your wine for your evaluation. May I pour some more wine for you?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your wine, ma'am.
Okay, can you please prepare my bill?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. The total amount is 580. How did you find our service, ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am. I am glad that you are very satisfied with our service. By the way, I received 1,000 for a moment while I prepare your tea. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your tea.
Thank you.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you for coming into our bar. I hope to see you soon.
Thank you.